to the crown. All our 12 candidates surely enjoyed a memorable summer vacation being a part of the pageant. Here are some of the highlights of the activities that the ladies went through.
That has kept all our candidates very busy a few days back for this night. Okay, anyway, back at the show, ladies and gentlemen. Our final preliminary competition is the evening gown category. Tonight, there will be no pattern, no specific color to follow, and no single design for all. So it's just plain glitter, glamour, and galore. So now let's pave the way to our 12 official candidates as they stand as anew wearing their ravishing and sophisticated gowns by Manaoag designers, Manaoagueños themselves, Milton Salinas and Rodel Dioso. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 2014 Hiyas ng Manaoag Evening Gown Competition.
With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
Delegate number 1.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy.
Delegate
Clap along
number
if
2.
you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go! Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down.
Delegate number 3.
Feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along
Delegate
if you feel
number
like that's what you
4.
want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Delegate number
Clap along if
5.
you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Delegate number 6.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine.
Candidate number 7.
No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high.
Candidate number 8.
Can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is
Candidate
the
number
truth.
9.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Delegate number
Clap along if you
10.
know what happiness is to you. Hey, hey, hey. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Hey, hey. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Delegate number 11.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy.
Delegate
Clap along
number
if you
12.
feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 12 official candidates for Hiyas ng Manaoag 2014 in their glamorous evening gown.
That's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down. Can't nothing. Bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down. Can't nothing. Bring me down. I said, bring me down. Can't nothing. Bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down. Can't nothing. Bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along.
Wow, congratulations, ladies. I know you worked really hard to strut your stuff in those elegant gowns. Again, super stunning and world class. Also, thank you to the Mindworks team for dressing our candidates and for training them seriously since day one.
You know, mixed with those exquisite presentations, I wonder who would be the winner in this category. Now, let's find out after a few minutes. But in the meantime, let's give out our remaining minor awards.
Oh,
shall
yes,
we?
we've got some awards for you guys.
And first up,
Miss Photogenic!
To
Who's
present
got-
the award for Miss Photogenic, we have Ginoong Pilipinas 2014, John Earl Bunag and Honorable Annalyn Arenas Blanco.
Remember, Miss Photogenic has got to flash those smiley, purling
that is
teeth.
so true. Pearly white teeth, and we have our Miss Photogenic is candidate number.
Do you have your pick? All right. Miss Photogenic goes to
Candidate number 3.
Tala!
Congratulations, Tala. She's our Miss Photogenic. And right up next, we have Miss St. Louis Review Center.
To present the award, we have Director Anton Broas Jr. and again, Ginoong Pilipinas 2014, John Earl Agbunag.
Our winner for Miss St. Louis Review Center is candidate number 6. Congratulations, Grace.
Our Miss SLRC or St. Louis Review Center. Congratulations, our candidate number 6. And right up next, we're gonna give away Miss Filipina Star ngayon.
Presenting the award, we have Childe, Director Childe Libertad.
And our Miss Filipina Star ngayon is candidate number
Candidate number 10, Mitch.
Congratulations, Michelle! Our Miss Filipina Star ngayon. We have a lot more to go.
We've got Miss Epson, Philippines.
To present the award for Miss Epson Philippines, we have Mr. Sherwin Quinto.
And our Miss Epson Philippines is candidate number
Miss Epson, Philippines goes to
candidate number
6.
Congratulations to you, our Miss Epson Philippines.
Our next is Best in Creative Costume.
To present the award, designer Dennis Celestial and designer Rian Fernandez.
And our Best in Creative Costume is candidate number
Candidate number 1, 10.
Congratulations, Christine Joy, our Best in Creative Costume. It's nice to see some old faces right here and some creative minds as well.
And
you
I
know?
can't believe it. Take a look at these amazing creations that
know.
these guys have made.
Alrighty, so right about now, Mix, I understand that we're gonna call in our friends, our costume designers,
So
and
at
our
this
makeup
time-
artists.
At this time, we'd like to call our costume designers to come out on stage.
Please, the creative minds behind the costumes and all the outfits that was worn or that is worn by our candidates, and the makeup artists. These
Right,
are,
come on out.
wow, hard-working makeup artists along with their candidates.
All right, we'll be naming our top 3 best costume designers. The first going to candidate number...
Now to present the award, we have Eat Bulaga's Mr. Poggy CJ Almazar and Darwina Sampal.
Alrighty, so are we still missing out on our costume designers and makeup artists? Are we all ready? Of course we are. Our top 3 costume designers,
Yes.
top 3 best costume
Top 3
designers.
best costume designers goes first to candidate number 8.
Next up, candidate number 12.
And the top to round out the top 3, candidate number 9.
Congratulations to our top 3 best costume designers. They all are working hard, costume designers. You know, they have a really creative mind, ingenuity that is, at its finest.
So candidate number 8, candidate number 12, and candidate number 9 are our winners for the top 3 best costume designers.
Wow. So they poured a lot of time and effort in making all those costume designs, I understand. Alrighty. Okay, so right up next, we're gonna give away top 3 best makeup artists.
To present the award for top 3 best makeup artists, we have Director Childe Libertad and Binibining Pilipinas 2013 first runner-up, Pia Wurzbach.
You know, being a makeup artist requires a lot of techniques when it comes to brush strokes and all that.
Especially to make yourself look like
I
something
know,
different
I
sometimes.
know. You look
these-
stunning and all that.
I mean,
of
you've
course.
got those blemishes that come every now and then, and you gotta cover them up.
That is true. So
at
right
this
about
time,
now,
are we ready?
well, we are.
Our top 3 best makeup artists go to candidate number 6.
Our next candidate with the best makeup artist, candidate number 8.
And our final Candidate number 3.
Congratulations, our makeup artists.
Our top 3 best makeup artists, again, candidate number 6, candidate number 8, and candidate number 3.
Alrighty, congratulations to all of our recipients of our minor award. So we have
a couple more awards to give here. We've got Miss Touch Mobile.
Presenting the award, we have Councilor Paul Angelo Sales.
The winner for Miss Touch Mobile.
goes to.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah, I am. Candidate number.
Candidate number 2.
Congratulations. Our Miss Touch Mobile. All right, I understand our next award is gonna be we have our next award. Congratulations, by the way, to our Miss Touch Mobile.
Yes.
Next award is
Our next award is for Miss GMA Kapuso.
To present the award, maybe call in some representatives from GMA.
our Miss GMA Kapuso will be receiving how much?
5,000 pesos.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, 5,000 pesos in cold cash. Our Miss GMA Kapuso is
Candidate number
5.
Again, to present the award, we have Lufer and Aryan of GMA 7.
Congratulations, candidate number 5. Our Miss
Ladies
GMA
and gentlemen,
Kapuso.
GMA 7, Kapuso Network is our media partner.
All right, our media partner for tonight is GMA 7, definitely.
And of course, these ladies are standing here in stunning gowns.
I
and
know.
it's time to award the best in evening gown. Ladies, are you ready? Looking stunning. Again, for the best in evening gown.
Okay. So I know the judges are having a hard time finding out who gets to wear the best evening gown for tonight, because they all do.
And you guys
very,
look
very
lovely,
elegantly.
amazing, and of course, world class.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, to present the award, we have Maria Venus Ra.
Truly a crowd favorite.
okay.
Our best in evening gown is candidate number.
You ready? The best in evening gown goes to candidate number 6.
Assisting Ms. Maria Venus Ra, we have designer Leo Almudal.
The evening just gets better and better and better, I tell you, Migs.
And of course, you have to make sure that these
Joining us on stage
Joining us
definitely
on
is a
stage.
crowd favorite indeed. The very beautiful Miss Maria Venus Ra.
I feel so short
Very
next to
lovely.
her.
I know. You can handle that pretty well, Venus, of course.
Of course, in the evening gowns or whatever they have, you know, it's a little bit of trouble every now and then. I give you ladies a lot of credit for wearing these
Well,
long gowns.
thank you for that. Finally, somebody has recognized and
We
acknowledged.
have recognized it, yes. And again, congratulations to the recipients of our Mina Awards, Miss Photogenic, Miss Filipino Star Ngayon, Miss Epson Philippines, Best in Creative Costume. Again, our top 3 best costume designers, top 3 best makeup artists, Miss GMA
GMA
Kapuso, and of course, candidate number 6 for Best